If you want to update Google Play services, then let us see how to do it. For that one, I will go to settings and then I will go to apps, tap on this option here and enable this option, show system apps. Okay, now I will look for Google Play services. Open Google Play services, tap on these three dotted icons here. Now there is no update available. That means this Google Play services is automatically updated. But if you want to update Google Play services manually because the update is not showing here, then what you do is go to any web browser such as Chrome and then you have to open this website apkpure.net and here search for Google Play services. So I can see Google Play services and the update was released on September 9, 2025. So select this option, download APK, and let's go down and then we will select this option, download APK. So the downloading of the Google Play services file will be started. Let us wait for a few minutes. So once the Google Play services is downloaded, tap on it and then select update. So once the updating is finished, you will have the latest version of Google Play services updated in your phone.